If you're considering church management software, specifically CDM Plus, there are a few key things you should know before making a purchase. CDM Plus is a well-known option, but is it the right choice for your church's needs? Let's walk through the important factors you need to keep in mind, especially when compared to other popular platforms in the market. First, let's talk about NBRE. Ease of use. CDM Plus offers a robust set of features, but many users have reported that the interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first. If you're transitioning from simpler software like Breeze or Planning Center, the learning curve with CDM Plus may be steeper, though it does provide a wealth of customization. Next thing to consider, pricing. CDM Plus uses a tiered pricing structure, which can be confusing. Unlike some competitors that offer transparent, flat-rate pricing, like ChurchTrack or Tithe.ly, CDM Plus requires you to get in touch for specific pricing. This can make it harder to estimate your costs upfront. The third thing to note is feature set. CDM Plus excels in managing memberships, donations, and events. Great for churches with a lot of programs or multiple locations. However, if you're looking for something simpler, platforms like Church Suite or Realm might be a better fit with a more streamlined feature set. Moving on to integrations. One of the strengths of CDM Plus is its ability to integrate with various third-party systems like accounting software, but it's not as expansive as competitors like Planning Center, which offers hundreds of integrations for everything from check-ins to social media. Next, let's talk about support. CDM Plus does offer phone and email support, but customer feedback on response times is mixed. In comparison, services like Tithe.ly and ChurchTrack are known for quicker and more helpful customer support. The sixth thing to consider is mobile accessibility. CDM Plus has a mobile app, but it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as some of its competitors. If mobile access is a priority for your team, you may find platforms like Planning Center more user-friendly for on-the-go use. The seventh thing is reporting capabilities. CDM Plus has a powerful reporting tool, especially for financials. But again, it's not as easy to use as those in other solutions like Breeze or Realm, where reports are more user-friendly and visually accessible for quick insights. Next up is security and data protection. CDM Plus offers good security features, but some smaller competitors might offer simpler and more transparent data management options, which might be better suited to churches with fewer resources dedicated to IT support. The ninth point is training and onboarding. CDM Plus provides onboarding, but many users report that it's not as comprehensive as the training provided by other services, like ChurchTrack, which offers free training resources and more accessible tutorials. The 10th consideration is customizability. CDM Plus allows for customization, but again, compared to platforms like Realm or Planning Center, CDM Plus might feel less flexible in tailoring the system to your church's specific needs. If you need more hands-on customization, other solutions may serve you better. Next thing, communication tools. CDM Plus includes basic communication features, but if you want more advanced communication options like text messaging and group messaging built into the platform, you might find Tithe.ly or Church Suite better for keeping your congregation connected. The final thing to note is growth potential. CDM Plus works well for established churches, but if you're looking for software that will scale with rapid growth or expansion, you might want to consider alternatives like Planning Center or Realm, which offer more scalability options for large churches. To sum it up, CDM Plus is a solid choice for church management with strong features, especially for churches with complex needs. However, it's not always the easiest to use, and it may not be the most cost-effective option. If you're looking for a more user-friendly platform with a transparent pricing model and better mobile functionality, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.